KFG weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, it's a busy time because we're headed into the official start of winter, and we've got a weak El Nino, which is setting the stage for what I think will be a very stormy winter. But that evolution is going to take a little bit of time. But once we get going, I think as we go deeper and deeper into January, I think that we are going to be in for a very cold, stormy period of weather. Now, if you remember last Christmas, it was brutally cold from Christmas through New Year's and into about the 4th or 5th, and then we got a snowstorm. Going to be a lot quieter around here for this Christmas, 2018. We're going to have temperatures near normal and a few weak systems to worry about, but other than that, not a whole heck of a lot going on after we get through this one. So we've got flood watches for New Jersey. This is for the period Thursday afternoon through Friday afternoon. The Friday morning commute looks absolutely awful. So we'll look forward to that as we slosh through on Friday. And then once we get rid of this system, it'll cool down and temperatures will be around normal for Christmas Day. So these flood watches will probably expand to the north and east if you care about that sort of stuff. So keep track of your local forecast tomorrow to see what evolves with that. Now, the evolution of this system is one where I think it's going to be a pretty slow mover. For the next 2 days, we have fair weather with temperatures gradually coming up. Now, right now, during this recording, our temperatures are very, very cold with temperatures near freezing, and the wind is still pretty brisk out there. We had a cold day today, but things will start to get mild ahead of this next storm system, so rain will break out by Friday midnight the latest, and it'll become heavy at times overnight. So that Friday morning commute just looks like it's going to be slow going for everybody, whether you're traveling by air or whether you're traveling on the land. So not a good start to this long holiday weekend for a lot of people. And I think the rain will linger into much of Friday, into Friday night, with rainfall generally of 1 inch to 2 inches. But the heaviest rainfall amounts, I wouldn't be surprised if people come in with 3 or more inches of rain. This is going to be a real soaker. And because it's moving very slowly, in fact, we don't really get rid of the actual weather system until early Saturday morning. The rain will slowly be tapering down as such for Friday night through Saturday morning, but nonetheless, we're still going to be under its influence into the early part of Saturday, and then things get windy and brisk around here with temperatures returning to where they should be this time of year, into the 30s and 40s, and it's pretty quiet for Christmas. We're going to have to watch a few weak systems moving about, and somebody might get a cheap thrill of snow on Christmas Day or even the day after Christmas as these weak systems kind of move through. I would love to see that personally. I don't know if it would qualify as a white Christmas. You'd need 1 inch of snow, but perhaps some flurries in the air around Christmas time, no doubt about it. And the overall pattern is one where after we get rid of the storm, it's really kind of quiet. When we look at the GFS out to next Friday, we notice that there's a ridge in the east, and that high pressure is generally going to keep things fair and dry. Meanwhile, out west over California and over southern portions of the southwest U.S., it looks unsettled, and it could be a bit chilly in places where it otherwise wouldn't be chilly this time of year. Temperatures running below normal, it looks like, for the desert southwest into California and much of the west for the better part of Christmas week. But then the pattern starts to realign, and we'll have to wait and see if by around New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, we don't get another storm to move through the southern plains and through the Gulf states, and we'll see what that does. That's a long way off. But overall, the theme is, once we get rid of this soaker for Friday, we are pretty much high and dry. A quiet Christmas is in the offing. They've got this hidden rain/snow chance for Wednesday. If anything needs to be updated, I'll take a look at it. But overall, an interesting weather pattern, and one that will get more interesting in time, I'm sure, as we head deeper and deeper into the winter.